Plus it was shot to the system. It's a smoother start. Whoa!
Nice break.
20 feet 5 inches.
Oh, we got hungry.
Yeah, looks like you wrapped up on yourself there. Yeah.
Feel lucky they got a good first try.
Alright guys, how we doing here? Where are the pop cans? We need pop cans up front. See it? One. Go back. Good?
Just the other angle on because mine goes right. So if I.
Go. Slow and steady with the race. Oh, 9 inches. It's a big improvement.
How many people have actually finished? Me and who else?
5 people.
5 people? Okay, so we come in fifth.
Hanging deep.
At
They're
least.
in the hole. Yep.
I should be finished.
Yeah.
Take a detour.
10-16.
What group are they? 5.
Stacy, you meant right?
They're 4.
Hanging deep on deck. Mike, you're in the hole.
At this rate, we should be able to get in 2 more.
He's so
That's enough.
They are so unconfident that it's not going to finish that he's standing in the
5
way.
feet
Yeah.
3 inches. Oh, you improved dramatically. 5 feet 1. Alright, hanging deep. Let's race. Mike on deck. Amanda George in the
The
hole.
place we come in. Wait, how is that working? Oh, I see.
12-7.
Like broken up. There's like a wooden piece that's still missing this.
Andy, you're in the hole.
Oh, you need it? Yeah.
$9.03. Got a good battle here. We got 866, 903, and 1016. Then we got Andy on deck and Landon and Timmy in the hole.
Anything else for some? Just hold up, no belly up. Just hold it. Okay.
Yeah,
Can you
those
record?
of you using
Can you record
lubricants,
while I'm doing this?
paper
Yeah.
towels.
Here, stand here. Just make sure you get the video.
I got it.
Okay, 15-4.
Nehemiah wanted to
No.
record it.
We got scissors.
They asked why the hell I was recording it. I was like, Nehemiah wanted to.
They're just haters because they don't have enough.
Yeah, they're haters.
Okay, 8-7.
Yeah, let's go do it.
We're allowed to make adjustments.
Yeah. I wouldn't use the word fixed.
When you're taking off the section. Before the route used to be that I had that snot, but now it's not.
Alright, Eric and Nikki, Sharon on deck, Bailey in the hole.
Get in the hole. Because you saw how mine hit the right, it was like 23 feet.
Yeah.
It still had some coasting energy left, so then you just gotta like, started like,
But-
too much rush should get off.
Which way does it tend to veer?
Right.
Yeah. You said at about 23 feet.
11:31. Yeah.
I would angle it left at about 14 degrees.
Alright, we got a good race here. What number are we at? This is number 11. Bailey on deck, Eric, Eileen in the hole. Alright, put the wheels on the line.
Thanks.
Alright, everybody. I'm just watching it go. Uh-oh.
Ah.
No, it means it went about 24 feet, 2 inches.
Okay.
Well, so here's what you want to do. And then hit the wall in about 13 seconds. I would definitely move it over and angle it. Instead of having to race here and go all the way up there, move it over, kick the back wheels back, and let it. Right, but instead of having it here and right into the wall. move it
Wait,
over
are you and Sharon working together? Oh. Oh.
I thought they were.
Yeah.
and ends up on the other side of the track.
Alright.
So like basically I'm doing it like I know it's gonna go right, but then if I start here like you have to be like a big angle, whereas here you have to like just like a slight angle, so just like
Right, right. You gotta move it over and angle it more.
I'd be mad if you saw them touching this. What is it? Oh, that's it. It's mad.
Our Mousetrap Car Race can send to me
Derek,
videos.
Manley,
Wait, don't move it.
Nehemiah, Bomani in the hall, and we go to the top of the order.
Have on it on blocks, no.
yeah.
Here's another track. All right, 7 feet.
Okay, we'll pass it our turn.
Okay.
Still doing your hair.
All right. Hands up front.
Okay, Sharon.
Nail
record.
Oh yeah, go ahead. I'll record. It already is.
I mean, they had a little couch underneath, and they set the car down, and it was going like this, and it shot right out. So it was a well, too far, but not too loud. Yeah, it only fell. Probably less than a flight.
Besides, our more
You know, believe it or not, I don't like that.